This is how to fix your AirPods not showing up on Bluetooth. Now, there could be a few ways. We're going to go to the first way right now. So we're going to go to settings. We're going to go to the option that says Bluetooth, and we're going to make sure this option is turned on. Now that that is on, we're going to hold our AirPod case close to our iPhone, open the lid, and then on the back, there should be this button. We're going to hold down that button to see a white blinking light in the middle of the AirPod case. Like that. And we're going to get something that shows up like this. This is not your AirPods. AirPods are not connected to the phone. We're going to go ahead and connect it. Press continue. As you see, it says Mr. McBride's AirPods are now connected. So now I can use these AirPods to listen to music, to listen to YouTube, whatever. Now let's say that doesn't work for you and the AirPods aren't connecting to your phone for some reason, or you don't see the option for your AirPods on your phone to connect. And that means the AirPods that you have are connected to a separate device. So you're gonna have to go to that device that the AirPods are connected to, disconnect it from there in order to use it on the device that you want. That is how you fix AirPods not showing up in Bluetooth.